Okay, let it run. And let it go into the back of your throat.
Scared me.
I scared you.
You scared me.
Did I scared you?
You did.
Okay. Hands down beside you. It does. Remember what I said. You hold on your hand. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to set the clamp up. Good girl.
Ow.
Ow. Clamp.
I got you, baby.
Down. Clamp. You okay?
Mhm.
Deep breath in. Deep breath out. I want to hear you. Okay.
Come on, T.
Done.
It's okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, my. Oh, that hurt like a son of a bitch.
And we have contact. A son of a bitch, hey? What does a son of a bitch hurt like?
A lot?
Like getting your nose pierced?
Okay, stop shaking. This is what happened
You're
with her.
okay. Yes,
Remember?
okay. Yeah.
You're almost done. You're on the home stretch. Okay? So calm down. Stay calm. Stay focused. You focused. Okay, got it.
I got you, girl.
You're done.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. How do you feel?
That hurt.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
A lot easier than mine.
Oh, wow.
That's because you got to focus on what I'm telling you. When I
Yeah.
tell you to stop, stop.
Okay. Did I? Was I good?
Yeah, you were
Am I a
great.
good nose piercer patient?
Not bad at all.
My lips are numb.
That's good. Hold that in. Hold that out. I just got to
Okay.
hold that nice and tight
Yeah.
so I want it
Calm
to clot.
down, Ellie. Calm down.
Woo! Oh, God.
Are you glad that's over?
Yeah, that hurts so much.
Yay!